Hey guys, it's Doug Giles again with Billiards of New Orleans. Let's see, today's video is going to be short and sweet. Yesterday, I received a shipment in from Championship. You guys may be familiar with it. I push their cloth because I'm a really big fan of their cloth and their rubber, that kind of stuff. But anyway, Championship had acquired a company called Dynaspheres. And some of you may be familiar with Dynasphere, some of you may not. And for those of you who aren't familiar with Dynasphere, I would encourage you to check out their website, take a look at the balls that they sell, that they manufacture, and I'll leave a link to them down below. Anyway, my sales rep a week or so back had told me about a special that they were running on these tungsten balls in a luxury package. So I had thought about it and I said, you know what, go ahead and send me 4 sets. Let me check them out and everything. And I hadn't seen the balls. I heard of Dynasphere. I knew that they were good quality balls. So I told him just go ahead and send me 4 sets. Well, when I got them in yesterday, I went ahead and I opened up the pack. Opened up the box, pulled out a box of balls, and this is what I got. This is a very large box, first of all, for a set of 16 balls. You got the cue ball and then the other 15 balls. But when I opened the box to check out what they look like, first of all, I came across, they actually, and I pulled this out already, they actually include both an 8-ball, the flat 8-ball, and 9-ball racks. And these are a vinyl coated paper, and my sales rep said that these actually, they hold up very well for a flat rack. But when I saw the balls themselves, here, I'll pull this in so you can get a better view of them. Maybe the camera will focus on them. These are very, very retro. And it immediately stuck in my head. It's like a light bulb clicked in my head. I've done a lot of tables that were made before 1960 or so, and I've seen the balls that customers have had. Most of them, they'll put the balls up on a rack, as a display. They're clay balls. I've seen some ivory balls and everything, but usually they're made out of clay or I don't want to say Bakelite, but something along those lines. And the balls are always cracked and really degraded, but they're really cool looking. But when I saw the styling of these tungsten balls, it immediately made me think of those balls. And I thought this would be perfect for me to share with you guys. If you're looking for that retro look with your older table, say you've got an anniversary table or a centennial table, or maybe you bought just an older table made before 1960, the styling of these balls is going to fit right in with that. The other cool things about these balls is that, number one, they are phenolic resin balls. And if you're familiar with the aramith balls, the phenolic aramith balls, even the Crown Standards, you're going to pay close to $200 a set. $150 to $200 a set. And they're going to look like every other ball out there. Now, you can upgrade and buy a set of Aramith does make higher end balls than just the Crown Standards, or you could even go with, say, a set of Brunswick Centennial balls, but now you're looking at closer to $350 to $400 a set. But with these are going to be selling for around $125 a set. And they're Belgian made. They are phenolic resin balls, which means that you've got that quality there with them. And yet you have that old school look to go along with it. So if you want that entire retro feel to your game room after you're done with everything, I think a set of these would be absolutely amazing and fit perfectly with a retro style game room, or even just the table itself. If you want to complete that vibe, Anyway, I'm going to leave links below to Dynaspheres website where you can get more information about these balls. And I'm going to leave a link to my website where you can actually purchase them. They're going to be going for, like I said, $125 a set plus shipping. And everything I ship is UPS. So anyway, I'll leave those links down below, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, comment down below what you think, and hit the bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Anyway, take care.